Hi, my name is Dr. Olivia George. So I'm at the University of West Oahu. I'm an associate professor in biology, and I am one of the co-coordinators for INBRE, and I started in 2017.
And I'm Megan Ross. I'm also an associate professor of biology. I started working with Dr. George in 2018 as an INBRE co-coordinator.
About 30 students we've had come through INBRE. So we do it year long, and so students are, depending on their schedule, are free to kind of cycle in and out, and we're very flexible with their schedules. So what we look for in students is, one, like how the level of commitment they are to do some biomedical research.
Yeah, so I think one of the main things I look for is just curiosity and then motivation. So students who are really interested in being here, many of our students have jobs, they're busy, and so that flexibility goes hand in hand with their ability to really commit to the program. So first and foremost, that they're interested, and then that they have the follow through to keep talking to us, and we support them through that, but those are the things we would look for.
And also if they have a kind of a idea of what they want to do for their career, then usually I can kind of come up with a project to help them kind of understand some of the aspects of their career.
Hi, I'm Natalie Gamboa. I attend West Oahu. I'm a current INBRE student as of 2023 of this summer, and I am majoring in applied science with a concentration of health professions. My experience with INBRE has been really good. My mentors were very good and patient, and my lab mates made the long lab hours really enjoyable. It also made me realize that I love being in a lab. INBRE has taught me a lot of lab techniques and a lot of different protocols, being that this is my first research experience, especially to lab safety, because I worked with a lot of bacteria for my project, and just overall the experience of research.
So when I was a graduate student at New Mexico State University, I was funded by INBRE there. And so when I came to UHWO to teach, the program director of INBRE Hawaii contacted me, and so I was really excited because I had a very good experience with the INBRE program in New Mexico. So I met with Peter and Dr. Nichols, and we talked about the possibility of bringing UHWO as one of the partner institutions. And so now we're kind of building our biomedical research program here at UHWO.
And when I came in, my background's in ecology, so I didn't know anything about INBRE yet. But when I found out about it, I do have a strong background in research methods, and I teach research methods in biostatistics. And so we saw that as an opportunity for me to kind of help mentor the students. I think we make a good team because with Dr. George's background in biomedical research and mine in statistical analysis and experimental design, we provide the students with kind of a breadth of knowledge so that we can help them find what they want to do. So if they come in with a career idea, we can help them see what that would look like, how they could move forward, and if through the process they change their mind, what we can do to help them make that transition. I think for sure it's the networking opportunity. So it, one, gives us a centerpiece on campus that since Dr. George and Dr. Barionga had kind of built it, students knew about INBRE, they were excited about INBRE, and it brought a critical mass of students into our research programs that allowed us to continue to build those out. And then as we build those out through the junior investigator opportunity for Dr. George, as we kind of built cell lines, and she's got to do some really cool kind of sophisticated stuff that really elevates it for the students. And as we grow, the network gives us the opportunity to have our students work with other people in areas that they might be interested in. So for me, it is that kind of interconnectedness, learning from other campuses.
Advice is, if you're interested in research, just ask professors about if they do research. And so once you get them talking about their research, then you get to see how maybe passionate they are about their research. And since you ask, they might actually persuade you to come join their research team to do some research if they're interested.
That's what I was going to say. It never hurts to ask. So I think students are intimidated to ask. Sometimes they're not sure how they fit in. And I think that by having those conversations, feeling comfortable with your professors, which I think is something we do relatively well on our campus, then it gives them the opportunity to learn how they can be involved and to see what it can actually do for them. So ask. It never hurts to ask a question. The worst somebody's going to say is no. And usually somebody else in the room has the same question. So always feel free to talk to us. So thank you so much for coming to UHWO Oahu. We really love talking to new students and faculty. Networking is one of our favorite things about INBRE. So please feel free to contact us if you're interested in doing some research and maybe collaborating. We really like interdisciplinary work, so we're open to everyone here.
Yes.